Good morning, trader. I will outline the steps to execute a long iron condor strategy for cryptocurrency in the US and provide a template for a voice over script. However, I must clarify that I cannot locate a long condor strategy for options in or individual cryptocurrencies. This strategy detailed here is a long iron condor which is designed for a highly volatile directional bet on a breakout. It is a different and generally more expensive strategy than the more common income generating iron condor strategy. Here is a comparison of the two strategies to clarify the distinction. Futures, long iron condor, standard short iron condor, market outlook, directional volatility, expects a large breakout in either direction, neutral, expects low volatility and price to stay in a range. Trade setup, net debit, you pay money to enter, net credit, you receive money to enter. Profit condition, stock moves beyond the outer short strike prices. At expiration, stock stays between the inner short strike prices at expiration. Primary goal, profit from a sharp significant price move. Generate income from the time decay and low volatility. Risk reward. Risk is limited to the debit paid. Profit is capped but can be a multiply of the risk. A reward is limited to the credit received. Risk is capped but can be larger than the reward. How to execute a long iron condor on a crypt assets for US traders. Direct options on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or limited. A common alternative is to trade options on a Bitcoin ETF like the iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT, which was used as an example in the search results. Here is the step-by-step process based on the IBIT example. 1. Identify the setup. Look for a period of low implied volatility. 4th, and a tight trading range where you anticipate a significant impending breakout but are unsure of the direction. 2. Select strikes and expiration. Choose an expiration date, e.g. 30 to 45 days out. Select 4 equality spaced strike prices. Buy a put at a lower strike, e.g. $59 put. Sell a put at a even lower strike, e.g. $55 put. Sell a put at an even lower strike, e.g. $55 put. Buy a call at an even higher strike, e.g. $68 call. 3rd, place the trade. Enter all of 4 leg size. A single condor order for a net debit. Use a limit order to control the entry price. The maximum loss is the total debit paid. Manage. 4th, manage the trade. Monitor the position. If the asset starts to break out strongly in one direction early, you may close the opposite spread, which will near worthless. To potentially reduce cost, be aware of assignment risk on the short option if it goes deep in the money near expiration. The long iron condor strategy for crypto breakout. Good morning, friend. Have you ever watched a cryptocurrency coil in a tight range, knowing a big move is coming but unsure which way? Today we are breaking down the Long Iron Condor, a defined risk options strategy built for the exact scenario. Stick around for a step-by-step walkthrough. Graphic comparing low volatility versus high volatility charts. First, the setup: you don't use this strategy all the time. You use it when implied volatility is low, making long options cheaper and you have stronger conviction that a doormat assets is about to wake up with a major breakout. We will use a Bitcoin ETF as our example. Animation building the four legs of the trade around a stock price line. Here is how you build it. It involves four options with the same expiration. For a stock near $61, you buy a put at $59 strike price. Then you sell a put further out, say at $55 on the call side. You buy a call at $64 and sell a call even higher at $68. You enter this as one trade, paying a net debit. This debit, let's say $1.86 is your maximum possible loss. Pay up diagram like the one above, highlighting zones. Now the profit zones: your trade makes maximum profit if the price closes below your short put at $55 or above your short calls at $68 at expiration. The maximum profit is the width of your spread minus the debit paid. Your break-even points are closer in. The assets need to move beyond $57.14 on the downside or $65.86 on the upside for you to start making money. Key risk and management on screen. A critical warning: this is a net debit trade. Time decay works against you if the asset stays stuck between your long strikes at expiration. You lose the entire premium paid. Also, if you short options goes deep in the money, you face assignment risk. Always have an exit plan before you enter. Summary slides with key takeaways. In summary, the Long Iron Condor is a tactical higher cost bet on a volatility spike. It's defined risk with profit capped but potentially larger than the amount risked. Use it sparingly in low fourth environments when you expect a dormant market to explode. Thanks for watching. Content development assets. 3. Growth stocks ideas. That is $40 below. Please note that stocks prices change the real time. The following ideas are based on general screen for growth companies and stock under $40, but current prices may vary. This is not financial advice. Company name, pick a recent price, target, upside price, growth, rational, and description. Perspective, therapeutics, CATX, $2.55, $11.50 plus 351%. A clinical stage biotech developing precious target alpha therapies for cancer. The massive analyst target suggested have high growth expectations from its novel oncology pipeline through this comes with high clinical and regulatory risk. Second one, Siemens Healthineers SMMNY $25.18 not specified analyst rating by a global leader in medical technology from imaging system to laboratory diagnostics and digital health. Its growth is driven by the steady demand for healthcare infrastructure and technological advancement, offering a more stable growth profile. Last one is third one, Hinken HEINY. Current price is $39.84. Not specified analyst rating strong by one of the world's largest breweries with a vast global portfolio. Growth is driven by brand strength, premiumization trends, selling higher-end products, and expansion in emerging market, providing a consumer staples angle to growth. I hope this comprehensive guide provides a solid foundation for understanding and explaining the Long Iron Condor strategy. For the stock ideas, it is crucial to conduct your own in-depth research and consult a financial advisor to assess their current suitability for your portfolio. Would you like me to elaborate on any specific part of the strategy, such as calculating the break-even point in more detail? Please like, subscribe, and comment. Another 2 minutes heart touchable video. You will listen, please.
Long Condor strategy is an options trading approach designed for markets where minimal price movement is expected. It involves buying and selling 4 options contracts with different strike prices, but the same expiration date, creating a structure that limits both potential profit and loss. To implement this strategy, traders select an underlying asset, choose 4 equidistant strike prices, set an appropriate expiration date, and execute the trades simultaneously. Key considerations include being mindful of transaction costs, ensuring sufficient liquidity, and practicing sound risk management by limiting exposure. The profit and loss diagram for a Long Condor typically shows a peak at the middle strike prices, indicating maximum profit, with losses capped at the net premium paid. Let's take a look at 3 promising growth stocks currently trading under $40. Confluent Inc., priced around $32 per share, specializes in data streaming platforms and has seen strong demand with a notable increase in high-value customers. Palantir Technologies, trading at $32.75, focuses on data integration and analytics, particularly for government and commercial clients, and recently reported a 23% year-over-year revenue increase in its government sector. Duolingo, at approximately $40 per share, is known for its popular language learning platform and has experienced a remarkable 42% surge in revenue over the past year. Each of these companies demonstrates robust growth trends, making them noteworthy options for investors seeking opportunities in this price range.
Yes!
The Long Condor strategy.
Please subscribe and grow Google Ads creators. Your channel is monetizing and grow. My friends, Iron Condor breakout, crypto and stocks surge. Maximum gains today, growth stock market, and goodbye, my dear friends. We will meet next day tomorrow video. Thank you for your watching.